Somewhere in San Francisco, a camera stares at a wall of 100 lava lamps, 24 hours a day. It never blinks. That camera is not filming art. It's collecting pure chaos. And that chaos helps protect your passwords, your messages, and your bank account. Here's why. Every time your browser shows a little padlock, your device and a server exchange secret keys built from random numbers. But there's a problem. Computers physically cannot roll dice. They only follow instructions. So when you ask one for randomness, it's faking it. And fake randomness gets cracked. In 1995, two students broke a major browser's encryption because its keys came from the time of day. The fix sounds crazy. Stop asking computers for chaos and start harvesting it from the physical world. The messier the source, the better. A lava lamp is basically a chaos engine. Heated wax rises, cools, collides, and folds. And the exact same pattern never happens twice, ever. So the camera photographs the whole glowing wall over and over, turning millions of unpredictable pixels into fresh random numbers, thousands of times over. But wait. The strangest part is still coming. Because this glowing wall isn't even the weirdest randomness machine this company owns. First, a twist. The wall sits in a public lobby, on purpose. Every visitor walking past changes the light, adding even more chaos. And if someone blocks the camera, the system just shrugs. Camera sensors generate their own electronic noise, and other chaos sources keep flowing. The scale is wild. This one company handles traffic for roughly 1 in 5 websites. Those lamps touch a huge slice of the internet. Bonus round. The idea isn't even new. Engineers at Silicon Graphics patented lava lamp randomness back in 1996, then everyone forgot about it. In the company's London office, the lamps are replaced by a wall of double pendulums, swinging arms so chaotic that physicists call them unpredictable. And in Singapore, it gets atomic. A Geiger counter listens to radioactive decay, randomness generated by the universe itself, one particle at a time. This stuff matters. In 2008, one broken random number generator in Linux quietly made millions of encryption keys guessable for 2 years. So a groovy desk toy from the 1960s ended up guarding modern encryption. Sometimes the softest-looking technology protects the hardest math on Earth. Now look around your room. What ordinary object should guard the internet next? Drop your ideas in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.